Welcome back friend. In this video I am going to show you the easiest way to change your Facebook profile picture. You can follow this guide easily, change them. Now let's jump right in. First, unlock your phone, open the Facebook application. Make sure you can use the updated version of the app. Also log into your exit account. Then look at the top left of the screen, find your profile logo, simply click on it and go to the profile page. After that, tap on the edit profile option. Here you can find your profile section, simply click on it. After that you can see three different options. Restyle profile picture with AI, choose profile picture, input from Instagram. Select the option if you like. For this video I am choose profile picture. This means I am select the second option. After that your gallery is open. Now choose the photo if you want to set your profile picture. For example, I am set this panda photo as my profile picture. Simply tap on it. After it, the next page, here you can adjust the profile image, like crop it, uncrop if you is available. Once everything is good, simply tap on the done button top right. After it's done, you can see more than option. You can also customize or adjust it. Once everything is okay, tap on the save button top right corner and wait to complete the process. Now hit the back button, then swipe the page, and right now your profile picture has successfully changed it. To open it, simply tap on it, then see profile picture option and see the result. That's it, you are done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my new channel guys.